Welcome to this toolbox talk on portable electric tools. The use of portable electric power tools is one of the most common occurrences on a construction project today. Workers are exposed to the use of portable electric tools constantly. Leading cause of death and injury in the workplace is electric shock. Many people in the construction sites take for granted the safety aspects of the portable electric tools that they routinely use. Workers need to be aware of their limitations and potential hazards. In this toolbox talk, we will discuss about the hazards and the major safety guidelines. Now, let's discuss about the various hazards involved while using these tools. Defective or broken cords. Bad connections to power terminals. Defective or broken plugs. Defective or loose switches. Brushes causing sparks. Worker safety can be ensured at the workplace by following the safety guidelines discussed here. Use only equipment that is in good condition. Be sure that the tool is properly grounded. Never overstrain the tool, thus overloading the motor. Never use an uninsulated tool without a grounding plug. Never use a tool in the presence of flammable vapors or gases. Do not route cords through standing water or puddles. Do not route electrical cords across aisles, which can create a tripping hazard. Lockout and tag out must be performed by a qualified person. If working in damp locations, inspect electric cords and equipment to ensure that they are in good condition and free of defects, and use a ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI. Stay at least 10 feet away from overhead wires. Never repair electrical cords or equipment unless you are qualified and authorized to do so. Never route extension cords through windows, doors, or walls without first protecting them from abrasion. Employees must be adequately trained in the proper use, inspection, and policies involving the need to remove from service any electrical power tool and related equipment that they will be using on the job site. With this, we end this toolbox talk on portable electric tools. Thanks for your valuable time. Have a safe day.